This year, I went through over 250 different portfolios and countless case studies. I also did a lot of beginner UX courses and I realized there are some problems that need to be addressed. So let's address them, right? I just launched a pre-order for my two smaller courses yesterday. One is all about how to present your work better and the other all about how to write case studies based on your UI projects, because this is what people need in their portfolio. Before we get to the courses, let me give you two pieces of advice that you can do right now that is gonna make your portfolios and your case studies a lot better. First advice is this: if you have some UI designs, always present them in some visual way. That can mean some mockups or some photos around those images that are forming a story. Because this visual storytelling is really important to actually get your message across. Just showing a screen, however good looking it is, on just a white background is not gonna cut it. Second thing is about the case studies. There is this notion that your case study needs to have the entirety of the UX process in it. So like every little step that they taught you in the course needs to be in your case study. And that leads to very boring academic style, too long didn't read case studies. And I don't think that the goal of a case study is for it to just cause people to look at it like, oh no, I'm not gonna read that. The goal for your case studies is not to write a long paper. The goal is to show to recruiters or your clients that you understand the process and you know how design works, which basically means that you need to show them that you take informed decisions based on some form of research and you're not just pushing pretty pixels. There is of course a lot more in the courses and I want to help as many people as possible because this is a problem. Many people don't know how to write the case studies and they don't know how to present their work so it actually is perceived better and gets the job done. This is why each of the courses in the pre-order is gonna be just $20. They're gonna be available mid-November and the price is gonna go up to $35, so this is quite a significant drop from the price in the pre-order because I just want as many of you to actually be able to take them. There is only 1,000 slots for each of the courses at that price, so when that 1,000 is up, then the price is gonna go up a little bit until it reaches 35. The sooner you get them, the better. You can go to the course pages right now, they're linked in the description of this video, and read more about them to see which one is for you. And I was thinking about combining them into one course, but my reason for actually splitting them into two is that some people actually know how to present their work already, but they don't know how to write the case studies. So in that case, they're only going to be paying for the knowledge they actually need and not for the entire course. The courses, as usual, are going to be delivered through Hype4 Academy, but the purchasing is done through Gumroad. I am gonna share all my findings from the best portfolios and the best case studies I went through, and also how to do research for your case studies with limited time and budget, which basically means how to do free research that doesn't take a ton of time to process. I simply want more of you to get the job you want, get the client you want, and simply be successful and stand out in the industry. And if you want to learn more about how to stand out, here is a video that's gonna help you with that. Cheers!